In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Noon online shopping and grocery app. So first of all, launch open Noon application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Noon application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to log into your account, what you have to do is tap on this account option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be led to the account interface. At top, you'll be able to find this option for login or sign up. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to the login or sign up interface of Noon. From here, you'll be able to log in to your account. Make sure login option is selected. Now tap on the field of email address or phone number. Now what you have to do is simply provide the email address or phone number associated with your account. After you do that, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here an OTP will be sent to your email or phone number. If the OTP is sent to your email, what you have to do is simply open the Gmail. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Noon has sent me the email. Tap on it. Now that email will be opened. Now in this email you'll be able to view your OTP. All you have to do is tap on this option, click here. Now you'll be redirected to the browser. You can see the OTP over here. Tap on this option, copy, in order to copy the OTP. After you do that, go back to the Noon application and enter the OTP over here. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Noon online shopping and grocery app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.